So the time it will take a certain radioactive material with a half-life of 50 days to reduce to 1 over 32 of its original number is. So this is JAMB question, all right? Now you are faced with this kind of question. By now you know what half-life is all about. You know how to define half-life, but I'll still state it again. Half-life is simply the time it will take half of the atom of an element to decay by half, to decay by half. All right. So the time taken for half of an atom to decay, all right, or the time taken for the atom of an element to decay by half. So now that we have the understanding of what half-life is, now let's go back to the question. The time it will take a certain radioactive material with a half-life of 50 days. What does that mean? It means that it takes 50 days for that atom to be halved. It takes 50 days. So it means after 50 days, it will reduce from whatever is remaining by half. Whatever is remaining again will reduce by half. Like that, every 50 days. All right. Now, so of 50 days to reduce to 1 over 32 of its original. So once you are faced with this kind of question, okay, they didn't give you what the, you know that a O1, the atom is 1. You would just assume the atom is 1. So if the atom is 1, solution, because it's jam, you don't need to waste time. You don't need to waste time. You just come here, 1, right? This is the original. All right. So now the first half-life is jam. You need to be fast. So you don't have to write half-life in full. The first half-life, you have 1 of half, which is going to, you have half remaining. So by the second, you have what? This is what is remaining. You have what? Half of half remaining. Half of this half will be remaining, which is equivalent to 1 over 4. Okay. Now for the third half-life, you'll be having half of this one. So we have half of uh, of uh, of of this, right? Half of 1 over 4, which is equal to what? 1 over 8. We are not there. Remember, we'll have to do it until we get to 32, 1 over 32. So if we do this now, for the fourth half-life, you'll be having half of 1 over 8. Okay? Half of this is going to be what? 1 over 16. We are not there yet. So for the fifth half-life, we have 1 over 16. Half of it, right? If you half it, what will it be to give us 1 over 32? We are there. Do you understand? Let me come again. This is the original. Okay, this is the original. All right. So after 50 days, it's remaining half. All right, it's 50 days. So this one now, it will take it 100 days for half of this again to reduce. It will take it another 50 days, making it 150 days altogether. This will now reduce to this. After that, another 200 days, you have this remaining. After 250, this is what will be remaining. All right. So let's go back to the question. The time it will take a certain radioactive material with a half-life of 50 days to reduce to 1 over 32 of its original. This is the original. Okay. So what time will it take? The time is here. It took it how many days? 250 days. So you don't need to convert it to seconds. You don't need to convert it to hours. 250 days is the answer. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe, share, comment if you don't understand any part of this question, and I will be swift to answer your question. Bye.